All right, guys, you can see they're finishing up all of these. We just came to pick up all the debris. It looked like this from the storm that we had here in the Pacific Northwest. I mean, really all over the country, but that's what it looks like. We still have yet to do that side. There's a bunch of damage here from the storm. One of those trees fell right up there. We're not gonna do this one. We don't wanna step on it. I'll show you guys the before. So this is what we're doing. They're doing the final blows on all of these. So getting them cleaned up. All done. All clean. Except for that one. Obviously we're not gonna stand on that one. That one's the one that got hit by the tree. But everything else is clean. And again, we're gonna be cleaning or washing the roof soon. Just today we just got all the debris off, but we got mounds of debris. All right, guys, today we're gonna do this porch, all wood. We're just gonna do chemical so you guys can see what chemical really does. It's just a bunch of green. It's probably not coming through very well, but here. This is worse over here, but mainly this is what she just wants gone. So we have the pressure washer there just in case we need to, but we're gonna try not to. So let's hit this, see what treatment does on its own. Here's our treatment hose. Let's get it. Gonna hit every little bit of this deck. Gonna soak it. There we go. All the way down over there. Get all this over here. Get all that right there. We're just gonna get all of that. And we can hit all this. We're gonna let all this soak. All right here, we're gonna hit some of this. Get this looking a little better for him.
Want me to do that?
Yeah.
Where?
All right, I've already hit everything. Just keep soaking it. All right, guys. So you guys could already see it's already killing all the organics. It's already brought everything back to life. 10 times brighter already. He's just reapplying. We'll come back and we're gonna hit all this green real quick. We're just gonna hit as much as we can, hit it all again, let it dwell. This is the safest and easiest way not to fur your guys' decks over here. She's gonna be painting, so she didn't need anything special done. I'm just getting it done for her. So we're just gonna soak this greenery around this deck. You guys can see it's already soaking it really well, making sure everything stays alive.
See that moon?
Yeah, it's all coming right off. And you guys can see that just algae, anything organic just coming right off. Just garden hose pressure. Absolutely no damage to your deck. You guys saw the pressure, less than 100 PSI. And then garden hose pressure. This is all paint. You just see that green. Again, guys, this is where we focused a lot of that mix. You guys saw that all this was completely green. So as soon as he makes his way over here, you're gonna see the drastic difference. Look at that. It's just gone. Still got a little bit over here. That looks like a little bit of moss. But boom. See how easy that was? I'll show you guys the final result once we're all done. Alright guys, there is the final product. It is overcast today, so you really can't really tell on the camera, but look at that. Looks great. That looks bright.